Jet setter, go getter, nothing better.
Call me Mrs. Got That Comeback. Niggas won't hit, but I highly doubt that. My man got the shit on lock, and if you lose a key, he the only one pop that. You hoes not even in my league. If you're looking for my man, then you probably want my crotch at. Fall back, cause I'm never hard to find. You could catch me falling in the center of his mind. Do me so good, I ain't never got a wine. I just tell him that I need it, and behold, it is mine. Tell that it's real from the tingle of my spine, and the way my body quiver, he is better than my pine. Plus, if he knew knowledge, and if he mistake, he better than my person, and he building on my weight. We were both together, I could tell it was fate. I just wanna eat him up like he served on a plate. Tell you what, the boys, I don't even wanna date, cause I never keep him waiting, and he never ever late. And it's a subject that is not up for debate. I can tell ain't nothing better, baby, you is a great.